Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm making fresh basil pesto to freeze. This beautiful and aromatic herb is from my garden. Every year I love to make pesto for pizza, pasta, and bread. It's so versatile and easy to grow. This fresh basil pesto to freeze is rich, salty, earthy, and very delicious, even after thawed from the freezer. And if you don't have pine nuts, which they could be quite pricey, you can use walnuts, which I use in this pesto recipe. Can't wait to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. First, wash and dry the basil. Then take the leaves off the stem and place them in a bowl. In a food processor, place 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/3 cup of walnuts, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice gives the pesto a bright and fresh flavor. Close the lid to the food processor and pulse several times. Scrape the sides of the bowl and place the lid back on the processor. While the food processor is running, slowly add 1/2 cup of olive oil in a steady, thin stream. Adding the olive oil slowly while the processor is running will help it emulsify and help keep the olive oil from separating. Occasionally, stop and scrape down the sides of the food processor. Now add 1/2 cup freshly grated Parmesan cheese or Romano cheese. Pulse briefly until combined. We now have fresh basil pesto to freeze, or you can use it right away. This recipe makes about 1 cup of pesto. It's best to store it in jars. Before placing it in the freezer, top with a little extra olive oil. The olive oil will create a seal on the pesto. Remember that it will expand in the freezer, so leave some room in the jar. Toss with pasta, grilled veggies, dollop on potatoes, eggs, spread on toast, crackers, and don't forget pizza. This pesto is delicious and easy to make, and if you can make it at home, make it homemade. Guys, you need to try it. You are going to love it. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment. We would love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed already, please do. We wouldn't want you to miss our simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See ya next time. Love ya. Bye.